Welcome to Digital Marketing Insights Lab. In this video, we'll delve into the crucial concept of understanding your target audience. Today, we'll explore how to identify and define your target audience to create effective marketing campaigns. Your target audience represents the specific group of people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Understanding their needs, preferences, and behaviors is key to crafting compelling marketing messages that resonate with them. Identifying your target audience is vital for several reasons. It helps you tailor your marketing efforts, maximize your resources, and achieve better results. By focusing on a specific audience segment, you can create more personalized, relevant, and impactful campaigns. To identify your target audience, start by conducting thorough research. Look at your existing customer base and analyze their demographics, interests, and buying behaviors. Use tools like surveys, interviews, and analytics to gather valuable data. Once you have collected data, it's time to define your audience segments. Divide your target audience into smaller groups based on common characteristics such as age, gender, location, interests, or purchasing power. This segmentation allows you to tailor your messaging to each group's specific needs. Creating buyer personas is an effective way to bring your target audience segments to life. A buyer persona is a fictional representation of your ideal customer. Give them a name, demographics, interests, goals, and pain points. This helps you empathize with their needs and craft marketing messages that resonate. Leverage market research tools to gain deeper insights into your target audience. Utilize social media analytics, keyword research, audience profiling tools, and competitor analysis to understand their online behavior, preferences, and trends. This data can further refine your target audience understanding. With a clear understanding of your target audience, tailor your marketing campaigns accordingly. Craft compelling messaging that addresses their pain points, showcases the benefits of your products or services, and speaks directly to their interests. Use the right channels, platforms, and tactics to reach them effectively. Understanding your target audience is the foundation of successful marketing campaigns. By identifying and defining your target audience, you can create relevant, engaging, and impactful marketing messages that drive results. Stay tuned for more insightful videos from Digital Marketing Insights Lab.